Hey Brian, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this gingerbread house. Now as you can see, I used a ready-made box, so all the pieces are here cut ready, and then there's icing and different types of candies to decorate with, and also writing icing in these smaller tubes. This is by Create a Treat. I organized all the candies, as you can see, in different glasses over here, so it's easier to decorate once you get going, so you don't get them all over the table. And then I put the icing in warm water, so it will be stickier and stronger. And here on the back side you have the instructions, so it's really super easy to make the gingerbread house with this ready box. Unfortunately, one of the pieces was a little bit broken, but I glued it together with the icing and left it to dry, so it was just as good as new. Now the trickiest part with making a gingerbread house is to get it to stick together in the beginning. So as you can see, I'm putting icing here on the edges and sticking it together. You can hold it in place for a minute to make it stronger. I'm also putting the roof on here. You see it's sliding a little bit, so you have to hold it for a while to leave it to dry. And while that one is drying, I'm also gluing the tree up to stand. And these ones will be drying for 15 minutes before I start decorating with the candies. So as you can see, I'm just using the icing as glue and sticking on the candies to decorate the house. And I think less is more. If you put too much, it's gonna slide off. So just enough to make the candies stick. And then you decorate it as you please. So this is how our gingerbread house and Christmas tree turned out this year. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope to see you in next video. Do subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you very soon. Ha det bra, bye bye! Bye!